3D puzzles, or are they model kits with their flat sheets and their press out parts that can make into some pretty impressive models? You can explore space, build world famous landmarks in a variety of scales, even the ways to travel to, and maybe the odd flight of fancy. There's certainly a great range to choose from, so we've taken 6 of these kits to build and review for you, and here they are. Hello and welcome to our final show in the initial run of Let's Assemble. And as you can see, we're going to be doing something a little bit nautical. Yes, this model of the Titanic is actually a press out and build model, and you can see it's absolutely huge. And the model that we're building today is also nautical, but very nice, and also a very famous ship. We're going to be building none other than Nelson's flagship, H.M.S. Victory. So, let's assemble. So, without further ado, let's get this box open and see what we get in there. Straight away, one of those great little tools for poking the slots out, and a great little booklet, bit of history there. And then, as we go through, haha, masts. Lots of masts, lots of holes to poke out. This is going to take a while. So anyway, without further ado, oh, and here we are, the big block of parts. Well, nicely printed and very centralised. Some of these kits you get the pieces and they're just not quite on the... They're not printed very well, they're off centre. Anyway, let's get this cellophane off and see about getting some assembly done. Now you can see there's a lot of foam in. Foam pieces. So how many sheets have we got? We've got ropes, sails. Oh, they've got it's nice tactile feel to those. There's a very canvassy feel with paper, but they are, I don't know. There you go, there's your sails. Rope ladders and more ropes and jibs and yard arms and things. More ladders, more bits of mast, bits of hull, more bits of mast, more sails, and a few flags. There be your poop deck. God, this is going to take a while. Anchors look a bit... The hull. It's going to be nice folding that. Yeah. The stand. More sails. Oh. And... Ooh! A big piece. it's made into a beautiful model of H.M.S. Victory. From no matter what angle you look at it, it's on a lovely little stand, and it is a showpiece. It certainly is. The largest kit we tackled at 189 pieces went together beautifully. The build taking approximately 3 hours due to the amounts of sails and rigging. The instructions though were very clear and were easy to follow, though the booklet didn't contain much information on the ship. When finished, the model is a real showpiece, even if the rigging is a bit heavy. Would recommend this kit for the satisfaction value alone when you've built it. Well, that's all we've got time for this show. We hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoy doing your modelling. So until next time, we'll see you then.